Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm taking you on a short journey. I'm gonna show you a little seahorse peeking through my beach scene on a surfboard. I hope you enjoy what you see here today. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm going to play mostly music through this, and I will give you everything in writing as we go along. Please enjoy. I'll see you at the end. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it. If you do have any questions and you are in the live chat, please feel free to ask. Or you can leave any questions in the comments below. I do answer all my comments, so please feel free to ask any questions.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So this is where I really make a big disaster. I start to make these waves, and I keep hitting it with my heat gun, and I can see it's just not, the waves are not happening. And I know something is just not right here. And I just keep hitting it with that heat gun. And before you know it, I have these clumps of white. Look at now, here I am. I'm pulling it all off. I go, what is this? Oh, what did I do? Oh. And I'm just about ready to cry here because this is the first piece I've worked on in quite a while. So I dumped the resin on there and I'm pushing it around, and I don't know what I'm doing. Look at this. I'm just pushing that resin down. Take the popsicle stick, trying to push. Look at that. Ugh. Pick it up, scrape it off. It's coming off. Now I get excited. I'm able to lift that up. And I'll let you watch. I do save this piece because there was no way I was going to let this one go. So we're going to have a little peekaboo. Seahorse. But I'll just let you watch. I'll let you watch and see how I fix it.
good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. A good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
I am so happy with the outcome of this piece. I thought it was headed for the trash. I was so disappointed. And yet, look at this. Look at that glimmer and shine. Look how beautiful this is. That sand is beautiful. My waves. Look at that sea glass. And that indigo. Wow. Look at my seahorse. How she shines. I love every inch of this. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, please do now. Thank you for coming. Till next time. See you then.
It really makes me wonder.